Okay, so this next plugin here is not one that I actually use, but is one that is pretty powerful and a lot of people do find helpful. And it allows you to simply type Shift Enter, and then you could see on this page that a ton of shortcuts come up that are AA, AB, AC, and then BA, BC, etc. And you could simply type any of those and jump to anywhere in your code. So let's take a look at how this works, and you could decide for yourself if you think this is something really powerful and helpful that would be worth installing. Okay, so now I have Jumpy installed and I'm in my editor file. I'm just hanging out here at the top. And let's say I want to jump down into my definition here. The keyboard shortcut is to hold down Shift and hit Enter. And then notice that all over the screen here, AA, AB, AC, all pop up pretty much everywhere there's a break. And it goes all the way down to BA, etc., and then starts at the next letter. And it won't go down the whole page, so it's only going to show you what is visible within that space. But if I hit Shift Enter again, we could see it comes all the way down to here. So if I hit BO after I hit Shift Enter, it's going to jump me down right there on the page. Hit Shift Enter again, and let's say I want to pop up to the editor definition right here. I type AJ, and boom, I'm right there. So again, if you find yourself wanting to jump around and you don't find that visually cluttering, you like the way that looks, and it definitely can speed things up in terms of being able to just use the keyboard and not have to move your hand to the mouse and move around and scroll or slide around and then click again. So check out Jumpy and see how that feels for you. Again, Shift Enter, really simple, and then a powerful way to get pretty much anywhere on your page without moving your hand off the keyboard.